Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to the heart of education, the relationship between teachers and students. This connection is more than just a part of the classroom experience. It's a vital foundation for learning and personal growth. Think about it, a supportive teacher can make all the difference in a student's life. When teachers take the time to understand their students, recognizing their strengths, challenges, and unique personalities, they create an environment where learning flourishes. This bond fosters trust, encourages open communication, and helps students feel valued and understood. But it's not just about academics. A strong teacher-student relationship can inspire confidence and resilience. When students know their teachers believe in them, they're more likely to take risks, ask questions, and engage deeply with the material. This encouragement can ignite a passion for learning that lasts a lifetime. On the flip side, it's essential for students to understand that this relationship is a two-way street. Respect and effort from both sides are crucial. When students actively participate and show appreciation for their teachers' hard work, it strengthens that bond even further. It's about building a community where everyone feels empowered to grow. So, whether you're a teacher striving to connect with your students or a student looking to build a meaningful relationship with your teacher, remember that these connections can transform the educational experience. They can lead to unforgettable moments, lifelong lessons, and even friendships that extend beyond the classroom. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this discussion valuable, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insights on education and personal growth. We appreciate your support and can't wait to see you in our next video.